looking for quick recipes, and this is a nice recipe. It's called Kritharoto because it's done with orzo, 100% semolina orzo, and it's done with shrimp. So today I'm gonna do this recipe because whenever I make it, everybody likes it. So maybe you will like it too. So here it is. So I make my own scented oils. And here I have a little bit of garlic and rosemary. It smells perfect. I use it for situations like this and for my salad. So we're going to put a little bit of this beautifully scented oil that has about half a cup, 1 onion diced and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. This is very popular now in Greece. All the restaurants serve it. I'm serving it a long time in my family and they love it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shrimp in first, okay? I'm going to put the shrimp in. They just need a few minutes. When they're done, I'm going to remove them, but I want all the taste of the shrimp to remain for my orzo, and changes color and it firms up. It's a sign that they are ready. They need no more cooking, because if you cook them a little bit more, you're going to lose them. You're going to have rubber. And so now I'm going to put my orzo in. I want just to make sure it absorbs all the oil. 1 cup of white wine, dry white wine. Two cups of water with tomato sauce. A little bit of sugar, just about a teaspoon. Just a touch of dill. 3 cups of hot water. Salt and pepper. And we're going to let the pasta boil for 8 minutes. This particular pasta needs 8 minutes. And then at that point, we're going to return the shrimp and the pasta. So have a nice day, everybody. This is Lita.